Did you know that there's a super rich shoyu frozen ramen that gives intense flavor of concentrated umami? This is Franklin Food Lab's rich shoyu ramen, known for its deep, dark color, indicating a rich flavor of umami taste. It's topped with sous vide roasted pork, bamboo shoots, nori, and Japanese leeks on a very fatty shoyu broth. This frozen ramen has over 2,400 mgs of sodium, well exceeding the recommended daily amount by the Canadian government. When you first open the package, you might see this warning logo, and from what I heard, a lot of customers have been cooking it with the plastic still on. So as a precaution, the warning sticker just tells you to remove the plastic before cooking. Like all frozen ramen kits, do not add additional water when cooking. It comes with a perfect amount of broth, and if you think it's too salty, some people will add water after it's cooked. It does take about 7 to 8 minutes to cook with the lid on, but for the purpose of this video, I left the lid off, which took an additional 4 minutes. Once the broth is melted and the ramen is hot, it's ready to eat. So let's see if this is the greatest frozen ramen of all time, or if we should continue our mission tomorrow. Oh, the broth is salty. The broth is really rich. Really rich. The noodles itself were just okay. In my opinion, this frozen ramen indeed had a very nice rich broth. The roast pork had lots of flavor, but it was a little bit dry. For the price range of $15 and as a limited edition, felt like they should have included a little bit more meat. I would have to give this frozen ramen maybe an 8.5 out of 10.